Hi guys, do you know rice water is miracle for your plant? It helps to encourage beneficial soil bacteria and increase your plant growth. On the other hand, insects like fruit flies, flea beetle, aphids and other pests can be reduced using rice water. Today you will know some ways of making rice water fertilizer. In this way, you have to soak the rice in water for 5 to 7 minutes. Take the container and fill more than half of it with a starch of rice water. The container ought to be covered with a plastic, ensuring that the air passes throughout the container. Place the container outside but cover it to avoid sunlight, as it doesn't allow the bacteria to grow. Preserve for 2 days. After 2 days, you take the fermented rice water, fill the container with 1 part rice water and 9 parts milk. Cover it with a plastic and place it away from sunlight for 5 to 7 days. Now separate the liquid called lactobacillus from the container. For application, take 1 tablespoon of lactobacillus liquid and mix it with 3 liters of water. The other way is you can soak the rice for about 15 minutes and then strain the grains. This is a nourishing organic fertilizer for the plants. I'm gonna introduce 2 other ways which is very better. Stay with me. One way of cooking rice is put water and rice on gas burner. When the rice is soft, you throw out the excess water. You don't throw out this excess water and use it for your plant. Rice water is a mild fertilizer and consistent use could take the worry out of over-fertilizing. You can pour your cooked organic rice in a glass. Add the chlorinated water and cover it and keep in a shaded area for 1 to 2 weeks in order to ferment.